Everyone, today we're checking out the iFlytek AI Note Air 2. And trust me, this is not your average tablet. It's a smart notebook designed to make note-taking, transcriptions, and productivity a breeze. Now, if you're like me, you probably love the feeling of putting pencil to paper. See that? I've always been a fan of traditional notebooks for jotting down ideas, making lists, or even just doodling. But sometimes keeping everything organized, especially for work, school, or creating content, can be a challenge. That's where this device comes in. The iFlytek AI Note Air 2 gives you the same paper-like experience, but with all the benefits of modern technology. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or someone who just loves to write, this is a device you're going to want to see. Let's dive in and explore everything it has to offer. So what makes the iFlytek AI Note Air 2 so special? Well, it comes with some pretty amazing features. Transcriptions and voice to text. Record and transcribe speech in real time, even in multiple languages. Handwriting recognition. Convert handwritten notes into digital text effortlessly. E-ink paper-like screen. Feels just like reading or writing on actual paper. Ultra slim and lightweight design. It's sleek, portable, makes it perfect for on-the-go productivity. Smart document scanner, using the built-in camera to scan documents and convert them to digital files. Magnetic stylus. It snaps on the side of the device for easy access and delivers a natural writing experience. And finally, AI-powered summarization. Quickly generates summaries from your notes, meetings, or lectures using its built-in AI assistant. This isn't just a note-taking tool, it's a productivity powerhouse. Okay, so all we have here is my mouse pad and my knife, and here it is. So this is the iFlytek Air Note Air, all right? Okay, so let's take a look. Let's see what we have inside here. And I'm gonna try to just keep a mental note, like always, is to stay under the camera so you guys can see everything. I don't want to show too much. Okay, lovely, lovely box. Let's get rid of that trash. Okay, let's see here. Very excited for this. Okay, we have a few friendly reminders here, it says. Looks like the lid was one way, but the note is the other way. The electromagnetic pen and product manual are in the lower layer. Here it is. When writing, please make sure there are no magnet items under the product to prevent interference with the electromagnetic pen signal. Point number 2, please ensure that the horizontal marking on your electromagnetic pen is aligned with the marking on the right side of the device to achieve the best magnetic effect. Please be gentle when handling the product and avoid dropping it to prevent damage of the fragile screen. This is with any device, my friends. Please avoid placing heavy items on the product to prevent damage. That's a no-brainer, common sense. Please do not store the product by compressing it with other items Please do not store the product by compressing it with other items to avoid damage. Okay. So that's just the sheet there. And here is the device. So it's very thin. And I'm looking at this for the first time. There appears to be a camera, but I don't think this is a camera for your vacation. It says here DocuScan. So I guess if you want to scan a document into electronic form, that's going to be the way to do it. I'm assuming this may be press 3 seconds to power on. This is the power switch right here. I think that's it. A few things here on the sheet. Dynamic bar, swipe the middle of the dynamic strip to activate quick page flip. Okay, so it looks like this is going to be something here. Electromagnetic pen. Let's take a look. So we'll put that there. So let's take a look here. What else we get? This must be the special electromagnetic pen that we've been reading about. Does it slide out? Yes, it does. There's also another tab on here. The tab says, the wobble at the pen's tail is for eraser, pressure detection and should not be pulled out. Okay, so just like a pencil, you erase with the back of with this pen. Yeah, it does wobble, totally normal. Okay, folks, so excited. I think what I'm going to be doing first is I'm not even going to power it on. I'm just going to charge it up first before my first use. And this is what I do with any electronic device. Okay. So we have quick instructions. Okay, that'll tell you how to get started, I'm assuming. I just read four mic array. Wow, there's some high-tech stuff in here. And this is the USB charging cable, as you can see by the picture. And it is USB-C, perfect for modern times. And that is that. Okay, so what's gonna happen, folks, is that I will be charging this up and we will we'll see how it goes. I'm really excited to use this and see if it really feels pen on paper or whatever you wish. So what makes the iFlytek AI Note Air 2 so special? Well, it comes with some pretty amazing features. Transcriptions and voice to text. Record and transcribe speech in real time, even in multiple languages. Handwriting recognition. Convert handwritten notes into digital text effortlessly. E-ink paper-like screen. Feels just like reading or writing on actual paper. Ultra slim and lightweight design. It's sleek, portable, and makes it perfect for on-the-go productivity. Smart document scanner, using the built-in camera to scan documents and convert them to digital files. Magnetic stylus. It snaps on the side of the device for easy access and delivers a natural writing experience. And finally, AI-powered summarization. Quickly generate summaries from your notes, meetings, or lectures using its built-in AI assistant. This isn't just a note-taking tool, it's a productivity powerhouse. Okay, so let's showcase the features of this device. We're gonna do a hands-on demo.
By Spencer's lab shortly before the assassination, photo paper was completely different, suggesting it came from a different printing session. It sometimes seems the only thing that could shed more light.
Okay, so I've dictated a meeting, we'll say. This is just for an example. I pushed finish. So I've got my notes here from the meeting. In using an AI tool, I can actually get this all summarized. And as we have here, meeting summary, we just tap on continue, and this is actually going to take a little bit of time. And then it's going to go over those notes and give me a summary. And there you have it. You have a summary of the meeting, overview. The next AI tool we have is the Smart AI Assistant, and that can be called up by just pushing the AI tool there, and you've opened up a chat, and you can open up new chats, and so you could just answer your questions here, typing on the keyboard, just like so, and you can get instant AI answers right at your fingertips. And you don't have to leave the screen or anything like that. It just pops up and you can get your questions answered. The next AI tool is the AI search. So while reading a document, taking notes, or even reviewing a transcript, if you come across a term or concept you're unsure about, just circle it with the stylus. The AI will instantly search for relevant information and display the results right on your screen. No app switching, no distractions, just instant answers. So I'm just going to make one handwritten note here. And by holding the button on the stylus here, you highlight, and then a window will pop up. AI search and iFlytek. And let's see what it finds out. And it'll give me an answer. A company name, brand name, associated with iFlytek, a Chinese company known for its work in artificial intelligence and speech recognition technologies. So it will give you definitions if you're ever uncertain of any terms on the go. Now let's take a closer look at the real-time transcription feature. So we're going to go record. Should be good to go. English. Okay, good to go. It's already picking up my my voice and transcribing as it goes. So this is a test note for the iFlytek AI Note Air 2. As you can see, the device is converting my speech into text instantly. And if you're multilingual or working with international clients, no problem. This device supports multiple languages and can transcribe and translate in real time. Just select your preferred language and you're good to go. The stylus is incredibly responsive, and with the handwriting recognition feature, it's like magic. So let's start writing a new, begin a new note, and we'll just say, I'm just writing at an awkward position. What's up, YouTube? And there's my note. I'm going to tap on OCR, and down here, what's up, YouTube? So it instantly converts my handwriting into digital text. If you make a mistake, you can just flip the stylus over and it works as an eraser. Well, let's just go back and just erase, just like pencil on paper. Okay, this is another super useful feature, is the Smart Document Scanner. You just use the rear camera to take a picture of any document, and the AI will clean it up, crop it, and turn it into a digital file you can email, send, or store. Perfect for professionals who need to manage documents on the go. And I'll show you how to do that right now. So we just here, take a picture, create a new scan. And we've got our camera open here. And you can do a single or multiple pages. So if we just take this little flyer card and we'll snap a photo. You can crop it to the right size. Let's just clean it up there. Confirm. And it's tried to enhance it. Okay, we can read it, most of it here, and save it to our file. It's our catalog. So it's there and saved, and you can share that with anyone. Along with all the note-taking capabilities, you can even use the device for scheduling your week. To-do list, you can focus on certain tasks, and you have your weekly view of your calendar. On top of scheduling, you can also use this as an e-reader. It'll take PDFs and EPUB files, and not only can you read on here or off of here, but you can also take notes, so you can circle or underline, whatever it is, whatever's important, you can annotate off the file, and at the same time you can delete your annotations or whatever you do to your document. So it does have several features packed into one thin portable device. Who is the iFlytek AI Note Air 2 for? Students. Take efficient notes, get real-time transcriptions, and stay organized. Professionals. Use it for meetings, generate instant summaries, and scan documents effortlessly. Creatives. Capture your thoughts and sketches naturally with the stylus. Multilingual users. Seamlessly translate conversations or notes in multiple languages. This device is designed to make your life easier and more productive. For my final thoughts, overall, I'm seriously impressed with the iFlytek AI Note Air 2. The AI features and paper-like screen and the productivity tools all make this one of the most versatile devices I've ever used. If you're ready to grab one yourself, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.